Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about Forex day trading, the life of a day trader. Now, in relation to this video, someone actually sent me a search term and videos under it, which is called "Day Trading Ruined My Life." And he was actually saying most of the videos under that search phrase are actually saying that you can make a lot of money day trading the markets. What is the truth? Well, the truth is you will not make any money long-term day trading. And I'll just give the facts to prove it. Now, when you see the videos on the subject, most of them are of people, leading the good life. They've got some computer screens. They're sitting down for a regular period each day. They're trading in and out the market, making consistent profits. Then you see the so-called results, swimming pools, nice destinations, nice houses, etc. None of those people have ever traded. Just go and see if they've got an audited track record or if they give their trades in advance. You can judge if day trading works. They won't do it. They know it doesn't work. It's all marketing, isn't it? And it is a great story to market because it markets Forex trading as kind of a profession where the more you put in, the more that you get out. That isn't so, okay? You are not paid for effort in the Forex markets. Now, let's take what a typical day trader does. Sits at the screen, looks at the charts, then tries normally to trade patterns, use technical analysis or whatever. Now, in hindsight, the price action looks orderly, doesn't it? But when you're actually trading it, it isn't. It's only obvious after the event because all you're doing is just trading noise, and that should be pretty obvious that if you think about it, Forex markets don't move much, do they, in a day? The only thing that makes them appear to move a lot is leverage, okay? So your day trader leverages up. He wants to trade the sort of normal ebb and flow of the market, the noise. He's got high transaction costs. So they're going to be eating to his trading account anyway. Then, of course, his profits will never cover his losses. And that should be pretty obvious to anyone who goes and studies price action. A lot of people say to me, well, brokers say it's a good idea. Well, do you really trust your broker to be telling the truth? Of course they're going to say it's a great way to trade the markets. They're going to make a ton of money out of it, aren't they? Not only are they going to take transaction costs, which are high on day trading, but if they're a market maker, they're going to take all of the day traders' money into their accounts because they'll bet against him. Now, in terms of a great study done on day traders, it was done by the Wall Street Journal. They sort of measured how a group of day traders did over 3 months, okay, and looked at the performance. Well, about 80% of them wiped themselves out. Then there was the rest of, the remaining 20%. Most of them were down. The ones that were up, the Wall Street Journal actually worked out they'd have been better off for the effort they put in to be working in McDonald's, and they would have made double the money. Okay, now for me, it's kind of amusing that people actually want to day trade or believe that it works. It just doesn't. Okay, now day traders, there are some who make money. And the only ones who make money are the high frequency traders. They're the guys with the lightning fast computers that can do about 100 orders in the time that you blink your eye. They make money day trading, and mostly they make money day trading going after the retail client and pushing the price around so the retail trader gets stopped out and gives them their money. Now, in terms of Forex scalping, day trading, you really should avoid it. It could ruin your life if you actually put enough effort into it or enough money. Who really wants to sit by a computer screen and just basically get frustrated and get nowhere? It's just not a great way to trade. Most professional traders will trade longer term. They'll spend less time actually doing their trading, let the market do its work longer term. They'll be patient, wait for the best opportunities. They'll actually spend less time on their trading and they will make more money. So you can decide for yourselves if you want to day trade, but just go and research and try and find a day trader who says they make money, a retail one, who will actually give you a real-time performance of their trades in advance, and you will be searching for a long time, because they're not going to give you their results because they know it doesn't work. But most of them know, appeals to the public. They're mostly marketing companies. They know they'll make a lot of money selling strategies and courses. So if you're a beginner to the markets, beware of day trading. Look to trade longer term. You'll make far more money. You make a lot less effort. Right, that's the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care and have a good day.